Okay, y'all are doing a great job being patient, working through all these steps today. I promise you won't have to do this again once you've done it today. So, what I want to show you is on Google Classroom. You will see this come up on Monday mornings. Every week, Monday at 9 a.m. is when teachers will post the plans for the week. So, I'm going to show you how to access everything on here so that you know. So, for our continuous learning for fifth grade, the first thing I want you to see up here is there is a link for counseling. So if you are looking for some extra things for counseling, mindfulness, the counseling lessons, that kind of stuff, you can just click that link and they're good for your families, your siblings. Then you're going to see down here, this tells you what week so that you don't get confused on which week's plans it is. So this is this week of April 6th. And then you're going to see these are our top areas across the day. So our morning routine, science, math, English language arts, social studies, and then SEL and special areas. Then you're going to see the days of the week, right? So you just read it left to right, and you can go in any order you want. You're used to being able to choose how you do things based on the time that you have. So there's a link here if you want to go watch the morning announcements on Facebook. If they give you a Spirit Day challenge, you can do that. It's optional. For science, you will always have a link here for Ms. Shantz's videos or assignments, and then you will have information here. So the best place to go for information, if it is not on this page, is to go to Google Classroom, because that's where we post assignment information. So for example, the Ecosystem Choice Board for the Exploring Day would be linked on Google Classroom. Math, if it is blue, that means it is a link, so you'll click that. And then, of course, Dreambox is on your portal. For English language arts, social studies, you're watching this video now. The Zoom, I'll show you how to get to read aloud for Zoom. Independent reading with your 2 Boom Writer responses that we already talked about. And then today's lesson, you would just click the link. For SEL and counseling special areas, if there is something to do, it will be a link. It'll be blue. And the same thing will be true for your specials. It's not up here yet, but it will be by the time you're looking at it. So for example, PE is already up here. So on Wednesday, when you're doing PE, you can click that, go to the link to see what Coach Spellman has in store for you. So there's one really important thing on here I want you to see. It's over here under the days of the week. It says link to resources, and there's a little symbol here. If I click on that, it's going to open up a Google slideshow. And on this Google slideshow, I want to show you what is on here, because this is going to be your other one-stop shop for information. Everything you're going to need for the week is either going to be on here, on Google Classroom, or on your Learning Opportunities slideshow. So here, let me put it in present mode and show you what you can find on here. So right here, there's a link you can click to get to those morning announcements. Your Zoom times, Ms. Shantz hasn't put hers in yet, but they will be by the time you're looking at it. These are our question and answer times. So these are not just like hang out and chat with your friends times, and these are not our read aloud times. These are if you're stuck on an assignment, or you don't know how to get to something, or you're having some tech glitch, something where you're needing, like at school, you would have come up to the table and said, hey, Ms. Hively, I need help with this. That's what this time is for. So my times are from 10:30 to 10:50 in the morning, and from 2 to 2:20 in the afternoon. And the links are here. You just click that link and it will take you to Zoom. Miss Shantz is doing hers from 2 to 2:30 in the afternoon, and she has her link on Google Classroom. So go to Google Classroom to find her link. So that's how you ask us questions and answers. You can also send us emails, or your parents can give us, you can reach out as well. But if you Zoom us, it's a little easier for us to see and hear what you're talking about. When you get stuck and you're like, wait, I don't know how to get to this, or I don't know how to log into this, this is the slide you go to. So how do I do all these different things? If you click it, it tells you, okay? These are some activities you can do for if you're looking for extra things to do for science. You can come take a look at this. This is a lot of cool stuff for reading, writing, and it says drawing. It's like things related to illustration. All of these are links to other things, and they are cool. Really dig through these. These are going to be going to be, enrichment things. These are not things I'm assigning to you, but they're all totally worth looking at. In fact, I've got to come add one here in a little bit because I saw earlier that Dave Pilkey, the Diary of a Wimpy Kid author, is going to be teaching illustration lessons. So I will come add that as well. Yeah, so keep looking at that. Here's some math enrichment activities. These are optional things you can do for math, and some SEL. So if you're looking maybe for some yoga or some mindfulness or some meditation or something to help you kind of chill during a stressful time, this would be a good place to come click. Anytime you want to get to something, you just hover over it and click on it and it will open up the link. Okay, so there's that. Now, two things we have going on this week that are different is on Wednesday, I was thinking it might be fun to try to get together. If you're available to Zoom, I will send out a Zoom link for just a lunch bunch. So this would be a time to just come on and chat with your friends. And I will open it up to both our homeroom and Miss Shanta's homeroom so that anybody can jump on that wants to. Bring your sandwich if you want, sit and chat, it'll be fun. So I'll send that out. And then also Friday. On Friday, we have a counseling, what's called a counseling circle. It's basically like a kind of like a guidance lesson. But it'll be a Zoom call where we'll be on there with the counselors that can chat about whatever topic it is that they're bringing to chat. So I will include that link. It's not on here right now, but the link will be right here. So you will get to click right there and you can join us for a Zoom call then if you wish. That will be at 10:30 in the morning on Friday. I think that's it for now. Let me know if you have questions. If I think of something I've forgotten, I will email your parents and fill them in. But yeah, have fun, dig in. Now, I know I've kept you listening to a lot of stuff today. So when you dive into our assignments today, if you don't get the whole thing finished today, it's okay. You can always roll it on to the next days, because what you need to realize is that some days, just like at school, some days tasks are a little longer than other days tasks. So you can always make it work. Oh, one last thing I forgot to tell you about was on the SEL column. I have put on here a couple days a week a Flipgrid question of the day. They're just kind of fun, almost like would you rather type questions, just so we can see each other's faces and have a good time together. So I would love it if you clicked onto there and participated in that because I missed your face. All right, let me know.